Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Capricorn, paunang mensahe po ninyo ay make a decision. Alright? So, merong decision making na kinakaharap ang iba sa inyo sa ngayon. Capricorn, at maaring sa ngayon, tinitimbang-timbang pa ninyo ang magiging desisyon ninyo, no? Sabi dito, are you choosing to prioritize yourself or another in this situation? Accept divine guidance, pointing you toward your own joys. You deserve it. Okay? So, importante na makikinig kayo sa inyong intuition dito, no? Para kayo ay magabayan patungo doon sa best decision, no? Na kailangan ninyong gawin. That could be matters of the heart. Yan na na-pick up ko sa ngayon. You're ready for more. Ayan, there are a lot of blessings, no, na paparating sa inyo. Lalo na related yan sa inyong karera. Maaring meron kayong bagong career path na tatahakin sa ngayon. Maaring you are also embracing career advancement dito, no? So, maraming, siguro, blossoming ang inyong career and growing. Sabi dito, your career is growing and blossoming. Now is the time to make changes you have been contemplating. Ayan, so, good luck to that. Siguro, career path ito, no? Na babaguhin ninyo. Your prayers are being answered. Wow, napakaganda naman. Napakaganda. You're so blessed, Capricorn. Dininig na, pinakinggan na ng universe ang inyong mga dasal, at maybe one day, one morning, you will see, no, right before your eyes, na yung prayers ninyo are being answered, and it is manifesting right before your eyes. Sabi dito, your prayers are being received by the divine. Answers will come soon, although perhaps in forms you didn't expect. Whatever the case may be, no, kung ano man yan, no, in whatever form that is, no, kasagutan pa rin yan sa inyong dasal, at kailangan na ipagpasalamat. We have the way forward is open. You're not trapped. Possibilities and opportunities abound. I will guide you to personal and spiritual freedom. Ayan, so this is really good kasi moving forward talaga kayo dito. Lalo na pagdating sa inyong karera. So there are so many possibilities and opportunities coming your way dito, no? At kapit ka lang. Okay? Kapit ka lang sa Panginoon and the rest of your spirit team, sa inyong mga angels, kay Archangel Michael, because they are supporting you dito sa transition na mangyayari. Trust your angels. Let go of your expectations of how your dreams will come true. Ayan, trust that heaven has a perfect plan. Kaya i-release mo na yan. Okay? Magtiwala ka lang at i-release mo na yung mga worries, control, doon sa kung ano man ang maging resulta ng inyong mga dasal o ng inyong mga ginagawa, okay? Trust that the divine has a plan for you. Kaya kung anong best para sa iyo, kung anong para sa iyo, anong meant for you, yan ang mangyayari sa buhay ninyo. Yan ang ipapadala sa iyo. Alright? Surrender. Okay, yun ang narinig ko, surrender. So, because when you surrender to God, when you surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life, makakaasa kayo na kung anong best para sa'yo, yun ang ibibigay sa inyo, no? In divine timing. You will manifest what you need. Wow, you are so blessed. Sabi dito, your prayers are being answered, tapos you will manifest what you need. So, kung anong kailangan ninyo, yun ang ibibigay sa inyo. Maaring yun ang inyong mga dasal, no? Napadalhan kayo ng kung ano man ang mga kailangan ninyo sa ngayon. Express gratitude as if your plans have already come to pass. Trust that your angels are bringing you the assistance that you need. Ayan, magpasalamat kayo, no? Capricorn, magpasalamat kung ano man ang mga biyayang natanggap na ninyo at kung ano pa, no, ang ipinagdadasal ninyo. Kasi kung ano man yung kailangan ninyo, yun ang siguradong ibibigay sa inyo or ipapadala sa inyo. Okay? We have angel number 8888. Ayan, personal power. Napakaganda. Yan naman ngayon ang you're going to project, no? Your personal power. Sabi dito, there is material and spiritual abundance coming your way. There could be wealth, no, napaparating, resources, napakaganda, no, parang tapos meron pang material gain. So, sobrang swerte ninyo ngayon pagdating sa pera, Capricorn. Maraming siguro financial blessings ang parating. And not only pera, no, there is also epic romance ang maaring dumating sa inyo, lalo-lalo na kung kayo ay single pa, no? Or kung meron na kayong relasyon, siguro mas magiging maganda ang inyong pagsasamahan ng inyong person at this time. So, sabi dito sa card, all that is good and pleasant in your life will multiply. Beautiful. Angels are sending the number to reassure you of the prosperity and well-being ahead. Wow! So, sigurado na to na merong prosperity na paparating. Your surroundings will treat you with admiration and respect, so use it for the greater good. We have angel number 2020, compassion. Ayan. So, most likely, kayo tong magpapakita ng inyong compassion kasi you're always maawain, no? Matulungin, maawain, mapagmahal. You are such a very compassionate person. So, sabi dito sa card, it is a confirmation that your assumptions and beliefs are correct. But it's also an encouragement to use your talents and gifts because they will benefit the world and your pockets. So, be of service to others. Your potential is enormous. Ayan. So, siguro yan ang mission ninyo sa buhay sa ngayon, Capricorn, na maging compassionate kayo sa ibang tao, ang to be of service, no, sa kanila. Siguro, yun ang inyong purpose sa ngayon. Kaya, maybe kung ano man ang mga ginagawa ninyo sa buhay ngayon, or gagawin pa lang, that could be in alignment with your purpose, no? What else? We have angel number 444. There is change coming your way, no? Maraming magbabago talaga sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon, no? There is guidance, kaya wag kayong mag-alala, binabantayan kayo, tinutulungan kayo, at ginagabayan kayo ng universe and the rest of your spirit team. Sabi dito, get ready for the good things you've been hoping for. You were born for a higher calling. Put your energy into going toward your ambitions, and the universe will align itself to provide you with the right people, circumstances, and resources to make things happen. Kasi nga, papadalhan kayo, tutulungan kayo ng suporta because you are taking action. At saka, kung ano man yung binabalak ninyong gawin siguro ngayon, that is in alignment with your purpose, no? Kaya, susuportahan kayo dyan ng universe. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.